Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make hot chocolate bombs. It is currently autumn in South Africa, and this would be so nice to settle into the colder seasons and just have a little sweet little cup in the evenings. So I said autumn because I filmed this video in autumn and now I'm only editing it right now in winter. So let's start. I'm starting by finely chopping some compound chocolate. I'm using compound chocolate, and so I'm going to need to temper this chocolate. If you don't feel like tempering chocolate, or if you're not confident with your chocolate tempering skills, you can use choc. I use the microwave method to temper my chocolate, which I mentioned in the cakesicle video, which I will link in the icon above and in the description box below. I want my hot chocolate bomb to have little gold specks on it, so I'm using a gold luster dust from Roll Chem, which I'm going to dissolve in this quick drying essence, also from Roll Chem, and then I'm going to use a brush to make the specks. I cleaned my mold with some paper towel and some vinegar to make sure that there are no fluffs from kitchen towels. And once I've done that, then I take the gold luster dust and sprinkle it, or sort of spray it, into the mold. And this is what it looks like. And so once I've poured my chocolate inside and the chocolate has set, my chocolate will have gold little specks on it. I'm pouring my tempered chocolate into my prepared mold, and before I tip the excess out, I'm going to give it a bang on my countertop so that there are no air bubbles in it. I then tip it over onto a tray so that the excess amount of chocolate can drip out. Then I'm going to take my offset spatula to clean the sides of the hot chocolate bombs of excess chocolate so that I've got some smooth edges on them. What I'm doing with my brush now is painting the edges of my hot chocolate bombs so that the chocolate can go on the sides and that my sides are not thin and don't crack when I unmold the chocolate. To prevent thin sides and your chocolate breaking when you unmold it, you can also double coat your mold so that it's got a thick wall and it doesn't break when you unmold the chocolate. I experienced this problem and had to go back and double coat my mold. Once you've got a chocolate shell out, you can add a hot chocolate powder of your preference to it. I added 3 teaspoons of Nesquik, and then I went and added some gold sprinkles just because I've got gold speckles on the outside and I wanted some of that shimmer inside my hot chocolate when it melted. I then topped these off with some mini marshmallows. I'm going to take the closing shell and rub it onto a warm plate to create a smooth surface so that I can stick onto the bottom one that contains the marshmallows. Now, as you can see, there's a gaping hole between the bottom shell and the top shell. So I'm taking some of my tempered chocolate and filling that out so that it closes the shell. I didn't quite like the way that it looked once I had closed it with the tempered chocolate, but because this was my first attempt and it was just made to practice, it was okay. If you're going to use this method, I would suggest that you roll the whole hot chocolate bomb in some sprinkles to make it look neater.
Once it's ready, warm a hot cup of milk and put your hot chocolate bomb in there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please do give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe.